Hello.
Oh my gosh.
This is your boy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanika if you're new here, and if you've come back to watch another video, thank you so much. Please subscribe, like this video, and let's get into the unboxing. I am so excited. I just got my package from the Pink Box SA. What is it? I will write the name here. You guys can go and follow them on Instagram and get yourself some really good quality products at a very affordable price. This is a long overdue present to myself. I turned 21 on the 1st of May. So this gift to myself is a very late present to myself. Let us see what I got from the Pink Box SA. Plastic because I want to keep it. I'm a hoarder. Bam. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. You guys want to see what I ordered? You guys probably have been wondering, I don't know if you have been wondering, but why I don't wear makeup on my YouTube videos. It's because I don't have makeup. So makeup is really expensive, and yeah, I had to save up for even these things that I got, and it's not makeup as such, but it's it's something to add to that. It says, "Thank you, your order has made my day. I hope this package makes yours. It would be lovely to hear from you. Snap, tag and share at the Pink Box SA." Please, you guys, go support her. Oh my gosh, she really has affordable products. Let me check them out. Let me stop talking. Let me check them out. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Flap! You guys, I know it's a dupe, but it looks hella amazing. Just look at that. Just look. When I saw the name Kylie, they're white, you guys. And then I got some makeup sponges. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh, it's so protected. I'm gonna have to put my camera back on. Okay, but because I have a scissor, it shouldn't be that hard. Let's play first. This suits me with the hairstyle and everything that I have going on, right? Hello. Hi. How are you? My name is Naked. Hey guys. Remain stylish where you were. Okay, sis. So this is, have you guessed it already? It's an eyeshadow palette. Oh my god. Bam. Bam. I don't even know how I'm gonna open this. Oh, okay. There we go. So that's another thing. Oh my gosh, you guys. Hey, let's see the palette. Wow. Oh my god. I don't wanna lie, I am legit proud of myself right now. I chose this because it has so many different colors. Thank you so much, the Pink Box SA. I'm gonna be getting my style on during this quarantine with these great products. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so happy. I thank God that I was able to get these for myself. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family if you can. I love you. Bye.